So these fabrics this morning are all about this cardigan and sewing this lightweight cardigan. So these are all knits. I think they're all coordinating because you want to pick two knits. They could be the same color, but see, I did this so you could do a light blue and a darker blue. You could do a cream and a white. I think there's so many options here. So the goal is to have fun. We're doing them all at $12.99 today and tomorrow. So we just want a great looking top. So we're going to start with this blue. It's kind of a ocean blue. It's got stretch in both directions, 100% cotton, great drape, just really pretty piece of fabric. It just blends really well, as you can see, with the tie-dye. The tie-dye is a cotton poly. It has two-way stretch, very pretty. It's got a little bit of a fuzzy wuzzy to it, which is really nice, soft. This is 100% cotton, one-way stretch. But again, you can see great drape, lightweight, just a really beautiful knit. And I think, again, this matches really well with both the blues, especially this darker blue. It's a cotton poly, has stretch in both directions. Isn't that pretty? Just pretty. You could make the whole thing out of the same color. I think that would be cool looking too. So many options. This is a white, blends in really well. If you wanted to do a, you know, the white with the blue, all of these have a curl. So when you go to do that neckband, you'll see that it curls in, which is great. So this is 100% cotton, the white is. This is a cotton poly, stretch in both directions, stretch in one direction, I'm sorry. The white, I don't know if I said that, the white has stretch in one direction. This cream, isn't that pretty together, like a white and a cream? I just thought that was really fun. And then this is a really beautiful purple. It's kind of like an ITY feel. It's a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. Look at that drape, just beautiful. All right, so there you go. We have 7 new cotton knits, not all cotton, but mostly cotton. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.